Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're worried about hitting 1,000 subscribers and getting those 4,000 watch hours to start monetizing your YouTube channel, don't stress, I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use an amazing site called Prodvigate.com to promote your videos and get massive growth fast. Let's dive right in. Click the link in the description and you will be directed to this page. Sign up using your email to create an account. Agree to the terms and accept their promotional service, then hit sign up. Once your account is created, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, connect your YouTube channel by pasting your channel link into the box and hitting find it. When your channel is connected, move on to the next step. Prodvigate offers two types of campaigns: for views and subscribers, for engagement on your videos. Select the first option, views and subscribers, and hit next. Now, you'll set your budget. The minimum is $49 for 1 week, but the higher your budget, the greater the promotion impact. Let's stick with the minimum for this example. After selecting your budget, click Next. Next, choose the videos you want to promote. You can let Prodvigate automatically select videos, or manually select them yourself. I'll go with manual selection here. After selecting your videos, click Next. For audience interest settings, leave it on automatic selection for the best results. Then, hit Next again, review the total, and click Pay Now. You'll now see 3 payment options: credit card, PayPal, prepaid credit card. Choose whichever method works best for you. Before completing the payment, scroll to the section that says promo code. Enter my promo code to get 10% off your purchase. You can find the promo code in the video description, copy it, paste it into the box, and watch as the price drops by 10%. Once the discount is applied, proceed with the payment and you're all set. Now sit back and watch your channel grow with real subscribers and views, no stress, no waiting around. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you succeed on YouTube. See you in the next one.